Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore system fields in NocoDB. Let's dive right in. First off, what are system fields? System fields are automatically generated fields that help you track and manage your data. They provide essential metadata about your records. So if we talk about why system fields are important, well, for starters, they help you track changes by showing who made the changes and when. They also maintain data integrity by ensuring each record has a unique identifier, and they improve accountability by logging which user created or last modified a record. NocoDB comes with several system fields that are hidden by default. To view this information, you can enable Show System Fields from the Fields menu. These include ID, a unique identifier for each record, created at, the date and time when the record was created, and updated at, the date and time when the record was last updated. You can also add new system fields to your tables. Here are the types that you can add. Created time captures the exact time a record was created. Last modified time tracks the last time the record was modified. Created by logs the user who created the record. Last modified by records the user who last modified the record. And that's a quick overview of system fields in NocoDB. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.